morning children, back to the class. Today for 4th class we are going to see GK. In last class we have seen about the lessons and I have told you see the 45-46 lessons with challenge 1, challenge 3 and challenge 4. Then quiz is there, 47 lesson. So that also I told you to read out, and so I hope that you have to do. So today let us start the new lesson, that is today also you will see the 2 lessons we will complete. I will explain so that you can learn. So first one is amazing facts. So the amazing facts are there in our world. So some of them, many are there, but a few we will be seeing in this class. So the first one, if you see page number 67. In the high mountain forest of Nepal, in the Nepal high mountain forest, there was a giant beast. What is that? Giant bees. Honey bees we know. Yes or no? So like a honey bees only, this is a giant bees. The length of their bodies can be up to 1.1 inches. 1.1 inches it says. Their body length only. So in that length means how much this bee will be there, we will see. So giant bees, length of their that is that much it seems, 1.1 inches. These bees produce special honey. So they produce very special honey that can be caused a person in a prison. So the Murugens that live in that part of the Himalayas collect such a this honeybee is very good, and it is a good for health also. So that is the why they collect these honeybees. The next one is a water reservoir is floating in a space. So in the space, floating in a space it is, which is 140 trillion times more than all the water in the world's ocean. So more than all the oceans in the world's ocean. Here we see the 140 trillions. So trillion is here in the a water reserve is floating in a space. The next one is sneezing. So everybody will be sneezing. So when we sneeze, if you sneeze too hard, so when you are while sneezing, if you sneeze too hardly, then what happen? Our rib will be fractured. So the rib will be in our inside our legs, the heart and legs, everything will be protected by the rib cage. So that rib that will be fractured it seems if you sneeze very hardly. Normal sneeze, if nothing will happen. If you try to suppress the sneeze, suppress means without sneezing, suddenly if you stop, then what happen? You can rupture a blood vessel in your head or a neck and die. So suddenly the sneeze is coming. Suddenly Jabardast means without coming, just if you stop like this, if you hold means sometimes it may struck here in the brain, the blood cells will be struck, otherwise near the neck. Then suddenly we may die also. That's why when the sneezing, we should not stop possible, means forcefully when it is coming, we should not stop it. It should come out. The next one, like a finger. In a finger, we have a fingerprints. Each person has a different fingerprints. It cannot be matched with the other person. In same way, every person has a tongue prints also. In our tongue also, there are the different prints for everyone. How we are having the fingerprints? Exactly, every person has a tongue print also is there. Then other one is about the cards they are speaking. Here cards they have in each king in the deck of playing cards. represents a great king from history. So each king is from history it is tells. Spanish, the King David. Clothes, Alexander the Great. Hearts, if the hearts are there means then Charlemagne. So diamonds are there. If the diamond is there means Julius Caesar. So about the Julius Caesar means diamond they use. The next one is a clubs means he is a Alexander. That card is a Alexander Great. The next one heart symbol is there means Charlemagne. The next one spades are there means King David. So this is about the cards. The next one is a diamond. How we realize the it is a real diamond or fake diamond? How we realize? To tell a real diamond from a fake, you need to breathe on it. So take the diamond like that you breathe. So where breathe on it. A fake one will become a foggy. So fake one on the fake one, whatever like that you are doing, that fog will be you can see very clearly. But a genuine one will stay clear. But on the genuine diamond, if it is a diamond is very genuine means when you breathe on that, it will not show any fog on that. It is very clearly it will be seen. So like that we can find out it is a fake or a real diamond. The next one is a banana. About the banana, what that bananas have a curved shape because they reach for a sunlight when they grow up. So in a curved way, bananas are like this curved way it will be there. So like this curved way the bananas will be there. So because this is why to get the sunlight this curve is helpful and it grows up when they get the sunlight. So that is the reason. The next one is a Twitter logo. So the bird, the blue bird, when we see the blue bird from the Twitter logo has the name of Larry. So Larry, the name of Larry. The creators of the social network named the bird after basketball player Larry Bird. So from the basketball player Larry Bird, from him they have taken his name they have kept as a Twitter logo. So that is the one. The next one is a space suit. Those who are going to the space, they wear one kind of suit. The suit cost is how much in a US? So in that US is a 12 millions. 12 million. But in our current Indian currency means so this much cost is in Indian currency. According to this is the space suit. About the space suit. The next one is ants. Ants take a rest for around 8 minutes. Every day around 8 minutes they take a rest it seems. 8 minutes in a 12-hour period. In a 12-hour period, 8 minutes only they take the rest. You see, 12 hours, 8 minutes only they take the rest and rest all day continuously work. The next one is about the dog. Chocolate can kill a dog. So that's why we should not give the chocolates to the dog. Chocolate can kill dogs as it contains the theobromine which affects their heart and nervous system. So that's why for the this what? And dog we should not give the chocolate. The next that is about the we have seen amazing facts. So this is about the amazing facts we have seen. I hope you have understood. In next class I will come with a new lesson. Please read the lesson well. Thank you.